guys. Let me know if you're MELICASKYLIFE building. That one what it did. Today is Sunday, August 24th. No, today. What date is today, Isaiah? 25th? 26th. And I'm on my way to Coney Island. So excited. But I didn't vlog a couple of days because I was feeling sick. I got sick the day I came back from New York. Up till now I'm gonna recover good. So I'm gonna go to Coney Island today. I'm so excited. If you watch my vlogs from last year, I wanted to go, and I'm just getting the opportunity to go this year, so I'm pretty excited about that. So we're doing a street parking. I forgot my glasses at home, which I need. Where do you feel like you lose?
I feel like I'm fake back today.
Nicholas comment on that vlog.
What is it?
Oh, my mommy and stuff.
And because handicap says saying that they say where could I go? Oh, you have vlogged it now?
Yeah.
Sorry, I vlogged it.
So, that's what we're doing now.
Yeah, we don't know these things. You know this people get of this. You have to put me for alert. I say, where you want to eat?
One day. I mean, so we have to go over there to get something.
Over there, so you go
Where?
down, so we are going. Where you get over there?
We're about to in there. Down the south?
Anyway.
Okay.
Let me get him, you know what? Let me get him the rain, so while we nice rain can eat.
Okay. So they have nice boxes over there?
No, nice bathroom in the American. That's why I tell us them the bathroom that when you wear. Them not the American. American don't really fussy with bathroom like that. That's how we go to Coney Island, I say. There's a beach there.
This one is water?
You don't have to. You don't want to.
Can I get a cookie board?
Give you a booty man.
So I'm going to make him going.
You're not buying a cookie board, Isaiah. You always want me to spend money, man. You said the next time.
Right now, I walk over to a store. See if I get a bottle. Maybe get a pum pum shots. we are dead. Maybe get a shots and top and stuff because my auntie say I be eat that bottle there over there. So I don't know my role when it comes to bottle already. Dang, my face looks. I be glowing and stuff. I know I made a pum pum shots. Come to think of it, because there are some shots on sale. So. What? Let me get a short. Maybe I get a short. Go look one in bad sort. First and foremost. I wonder where do I find those though. Swimsuit. You know, so I see one sauna suit up the some ones, although I'm not coming after that. Anyways, I'm going to look and get back with you guys. Change of plans. We're going to the mall instead because it's slightly. I'm playing a pass. Ready?
It's cold up like Korean, man.
We're going to the mall instead. What about the name, Auntie Lisa?
Eh?
What's your name? Jersey Garden Mall out in these streets. So if you're nearby, link up. Yeah, it's too late to go over Coney Island now because by the time we reach, it's gonna be closed. So we're just gonna go tomorrow.
What's that guy? Look like him open.
Excuse me.
When they know so people are waiting for the parking.
Something there. Oh, we are gonna walk going Burlington. Mark, we don't have Burlington now. Yeah, so that's what we're doing now. I say around this one. Lisa right there so. Be right there so. In these streets. Something there. One thing we can't take with the Americans, like they smoke too much, man. Everything they smoke. And like you the person that don't smoke. What's up? Underpants?
How much are they?
No, in a 240.
I'll go for H&M. I'm bottom, but
Who is you liking that queen? Like US sitting in there.
The smoking issue. When they smoke and you don't smoke and you take that up, it's more dangerous to you, the person that don't smoke. You know, so I don't like smoking. It's not a part of me and stuff. So that's what we're doing now. I don't want to go say she loves the and stuff. Yeah, I might thought that and stuff. So guys, basically I'll be chilling at the mall for the rest of the day. It's around 4:30 now and stuff, so I'm gonna be up and about in the mall. I just saw one of my friends that I met the other day and my flight coming up. I was like, Jody, and my aunt was like, oh, like you know her. I met her the other day. She was like, yeah, I thought like you know her a long time. And somebody with people, genuine, you know. I'm over this one. Yellow. I buy pretzels, but I eat that. That's how I people food. Now, that's what we're doing now. Guys, I'm mash up some pretzels right now. First time I eat pretzels. So I think of white people food. You remember I say white people food? And they have marijuana sauce. The real name is marinara or something like that. But we call it marijuana sauce. Tastes good. Never in an extra key. Eat good. Yeah, money. My phone battery is about to die, so I have to close off the vlog here. It's a short vlog, but please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button. And definitely show the love. The mall is so packed. I have to come back another day. Plus the food them at me right now. I need to go. So I'll just run go down this house, grab something, then I'll be ready because I thought the mall would be less fussy today Sunday, but I opposite in your park. So I'll have to come back another day. Alright, so later. There's a line to go into Nikes right now. That's a line. They're not allow everybody in there once. Telling us say we mall pack, like to store them, a line to go in and on a Black Friday. So I don't know what I'm going. Place pack. Pack, and I can't deal with it. Then I pay this up on one look because I have one shoes in what I like. Buy a lot of versions of it. I wonder if they have the shoes that I want. I'm gonna go look around this one. Here I come. Yeah, one shoe got up on my foot and now tear up and sit, but I love it. I'm gonna say they have no more like it. I'm wearing these shoes that go everywhere. It's like my favorite shoe in the whole wide world. You know. I'm gonna see it.
So let's go.
Really, Isaiah? Isaiah and I people in the store. Anyways, I'm gonna look for you something. Cold Stone, we're at an ice cream shop. Ice cream which I should not be eating, but I'm gonna eat it and I'm gonna show you the line. The machine. So I can't see somebody say look so happy as singing something I did. But I'm not gonna show any ice cream. Like for the ice cream, they can create their own ice cream, anything at all they want for the top. Anything at all. Cherry, what name? Mint, coffee, Oreo, anything at all they want for the top, they create it for you. Strawberry, blueberry, everything. Ice cream. Ice cream. What's it going on? What are the tips? That is a cold stone, so when you put stuff on it, it don't melt. Anita, yours is ready. That is M&M. They could have something like this at Jamaica. They just have the regular ice cream. What on? Yeah, that's a cake. Okay. You're sure that looks like one different cake? Let's see. Because you couldn't get plain cake and sauce. I never know. Okay.
That's what it tastes like. Oh, come and beans. I'm horrible. Ew.
We don't take one small, but we don't take piece of plain cake in it. You can change the order now. Yeah, and a small, but with big.
You're changing it to a small?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
With Oreo?
Yeah.
Small.
I got Oreo and cake batter and pistachio. This is a great idea for Jamaica. This is putting on my face too much. It's a great idea for Jamaica where you can get any topping at all that you want on your ice cream. Nobody did that, so I'm just going on business idea. My phone died, but I'm using another device. But it's zooming for me and stuff. It must start again. Okay.
You should hear that strong. You should hear that strong. Huh? You should hear that strong. No.
Melody for my ice cream later.